Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So Pinterest advertising has evolved into a powerful visual first ad platform that can put your product directly in front of high intent shoppers. With 45% of clicks happening in the top 10 search results and 96% of top searches being unbranded. Being visible at the right moment can make a significant difference. The platform has introduced several new ad formats in 2025-2026, including top-of search ads, which place your brand at the top of relevant research or search results and in related pins. Brand using these ads have seen like a 41% high click-through rate, which is actually fine. So in today's small tutorial, I'm gonna talk about how to run ads in Pinterest. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So let's talk about Access Pinterest Ads Manager. To run ads, you will need a Pinterest business account. Once you have one, you can access Ads Manager directly from your account dashboard. This is where you will create, manage, and track all your campaigns. And keep in mind, you can transfer a normal account into a business one if you want. So choose your campaign objective. Pinterest offers different campaign types for different goals. Top of search ads place your products at the top of relevant search results and related pins, or shopping ads show your product in the shopping moments across the platform. Or you can even use the Pinterest Performance Plus that chooses AI or AI and automation to help your ads reach the right people. And that's the main idea. Thank you all for watching this. See you all in the next video.